Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nubia Magic. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. Then launch it and tap on the same options in both. I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Nubia. Also on an Android, use all of those categories to pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. You can input this key into input key section and hit Receive, or scan the QR code by hitting scanning icon above user guide, closing an ad, allowing camera access in the pop-up and pointing it at the code. Whatever you decided, just wait, and when the transfer is done, close ads. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!